Hello, NAC students. Welcome to ISZL. Today, we're going to give you a tour of our school. So this is what you're going to see when you walk into ISZL. This is the so-called Vettinger House. Fun fact about the Vettinger House is that this was constructed in the 17th century. So as you can see here, this is our basketball court and this is our field. This is where we spend most of our break times together with our friends, hang out, and have fun. So this is the main attraction of ISZL, the eagles etched into the wood. It's our school mascot. This is the Albus building. This is where 2nd grade and 4th grade is. You see that all of our buildings are named after a mountain in Switzerland. This one, the Albus. So this is Martin Latter. He's a guy who used to work at ISZL. He brought the tradition of giving birthday stones to children when it was their birthday. This tradition is still carried on today in primary school. So this is our lunchroom, and over there is where we order our food to eat. Okay, so this is the Riggy building, and in here is the design room and all the younger kids' classrooms. So this is the design room where we host our design classes. So basically here we have the laser cutters that cut various materials with a laser. Then over here we have the 3D printer. It basically prints materials like these using plastic. And then over here we have our classroom area.
This is the Ricky gym, right? And currently there's a class in session, so we can't go in it.
This is the library area where we can come to check out books.
Okay, so this is the music room. Here we have some instruments. We just record music, and we have some music classes in here. We learn about the blues. We learn about some 90s rock. And there's some more setup back here. Yeah.
This is our middle school building where all of our middle school classes take place.
This is the bookmobile area. You can get books here. It's basically a small library. It's a portable library. So here we have beautiful art, and behind us we have a great reading area.
This art was created by the 7th graders, I think about 2 months ago.
Okay, so this is our middle school theatre. In here we have assemblies and
We also have drama class in here.
there's currently an assembly going on in here, so we can't go inside. So back here is backstage. There's the stage, and behind you is the seats that we sit in. This is the piazza. We also spend our break times here, in an alternating schedule due to COVID restrictions. As you can see, we have various setup, including table tennis and table football.